Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be creating a file uploader button for ChatGPT. This button will allow you to easily upload files and interact with our ChatGPT model. So let's dive right in. Now let's see the prompts that we are using to create file uploaded button. To begin, we need to generate a JavaScript file that will create the button and a progress bar to track the file's upload progress. This JavaScript code will be responsible for handling the file upload functionality. Now, let's specify the file types that ChatGPT will accept, such as text files, JavaScript files, Python files, and so on. This will ensure that only compatible files are uploaded. One important thing to note is that if the uploaded file exceeds 15,000 characters, we need to break it down into multiple chunks. This is because ChatGPT has a character limit of 15,000 at a time. By dividing the file into smaller chunks, we can feed them into the ChatGPT model. Next, a function is defined to simulate the submission of a conversation by updating the value of a text area element with a formatted text, and then triggering an enter key event on that text area element. After that, a progress bar is updated after each chunk is submitted. Once all the chunks have been submitted, the progress bar should turn blue. Now paste the prompts in the ChatGPT. Now it will start generating the JavaScript code. Once you have the JavaScript code, copy it to your clipboard. Now right-click on your screen and select Inspect. In the developer console, clear the existing content. Next, paste the copied code into the console and hit Enter. You should now see a button at the bottom of your screen. Now it's time to test our file uploader button. I'll demonstrate by uploading a Python file that exceeds the 15,000 character limit. As you can see, the file is automatically broken down into multiple chunks, allowing us to process it in ChatGPT. We'll now create a Chrome extension for our JavaScript file, making it even more convenient to use. To get started, we'll use a prompt specifically designed for creating the Chrome extension plugin. Let's paste this prompt into the ChatGPT interface. After running the prompt, you'll receive step-by-step instructions and code snippets to create the Chrome extension. Now open the Visual Studio Code and create a folder for our extension. Inside that folder, we'll create 3 files: manifest.json, background.js, and content.js. Now copy-paste each code into these 3 files by following the instructions provided by ChatGPT. Now open the Chrome extensions page and click on Load Unpacked. Select the folder containing our extension file. Once loaded, go back to ChatGPT. Enable the extension and refresh the page. You will now see the file uploader button right there in your ChatGPT interface. Now let's put our extension to the test. Upload a file, and you'll notice that it automatically breaks down into chunks. This will help you explain and analyze the code more effectively. And that's it. You've successfully created a file uploader button on ChatGPT and a corresponding Chrome extension. Now you can conveniently upload and interact with files within the ChatGPT environment. Feel free to explore and enjoy this new functionality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!